Okay, the same we can put some functionality to this pie chart as well, in a way that if you click on any of these countries, so it will be highlighted and split it from the rest of the countries where is it attached to, and the rest of the countries will be hidden, and only, for example, Egypt will be highlighted, and based on that its exact location will flash and zoom in here in this map. So let's go to the configuration. Yeah, go to the action. If you prefer to choose, for example, two countries, Egypt with Finland, or Kuwait with Afghanistan, or Burma with Cuba, or three countries, so at the same time you can choose this one multiple. So in our case, let's choose single. I want only one country, to select only one country. So add some actions. Filter. Yeah, filter the COVID-19 dead cases, and as well as category selector. Flash, so the exact location of any country that you chose will flash on your map. Yeah, COVID-19 layer, and as well pop-up message. A pop-up message about the COVID-19 will pop up on your map. Okay, that's good. And with a pan and with a zoom, it will, the exact location of any country that you chose will zoom in. We chose the COVID-19 layer. That's it. You just click on done. Everything is fine now. So you see Finland is selected. If I select Egypt, so the exact location of Egypt will pop up here, and it will be highlighted. So let's choose, for example, Afghanistan. Yep, so this is the location of Afghanistan. It's related information about COVID-19. Zoom out. Yeah, here it is. Okay, now everything shows here. If you click on any country, it will display. If you click out of the pie chart in this area, so it will show you the information about the whole world, the whole countries. Okay, just simply save it, and that's it.